So example 30 is just there to not only as extra practice, but to show that if your credit card uses the average daily balance method to compute interest, how it will matter when you purchase items, especially if you have a bigger purchase and you do not pay off the balance in full. Okay, so balance will begin the same way it did before, but this time the balance remained that amount for only one day, from going from October 1st to 2nd. And so when I multiply across, please do not get out your calculator for this. I will be sad if you do. We get $541.35. Okay, so they're saying that the purchase of the $552.25 was made on October 2nd instead of October 28th. What would the finance charge have been? Okay, so October 2nd, and we're adding this amount right here. We will get $1,093.60. So 4 minus 2, that was that much for 2 days. And multiply across. Okay, so from October 4th to October 10th, it'll be that 6 days again. So, and then on October 4th, they said that they made a $49.15 purchase. And multiply across. Then on October 10th, there was an $18.95 purchase. So that increases the balance. And so it was at this particular balance for 9 days. So multiply across. Okay, and then on the 19th, there's a payment of $400, so we expect our balance to go down. Okay, and so we're going to look at the 19 days. How many days have passed until the 1st? Well, that's going to be 13 days. Multiply across. Okay, remember a good way to check to make sure your number of days is right is to add them all together. There are 31 days in October. That should give us 31. So if you're having trouble finding that 13 days right there, you could always do the 31 minus the other days, and then that should give you your amount if you're having difficulty with that. So let's go ahead and find the sum of our balance times numbers of days. Okay, and remember to get the finance charge, which is what we were asked for. I need to find our average daily balance. There were 31 days. And so notice our average daily balance is about over $400 higher than what we found on 29A. So now to find the finance charge, I will take this $965.89, the average daily balance, and multiply it by our finance charge. And so I have $17.39 for my finance charge. So it's not quite double the finance charge that we had on the previous example. But I think you can see the impact of when you make purchases can have on your how much you're being charged if you're having your interest calculated using the average daily balance method. So again, you avoid interest being charged at all if you'll pay off your credit card balance every month.